Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code that is 0x8024001E. So if you are receiving this error message while downloading or while installing any application or games from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. On the top right here you can see your profile icon. Click on it, then click on your icon. And then click on sign out, and again click on this profile icon, then click on sign in, select your account, click on continue, enter the PIN or password over here, and once logged in, try to use store. Now still you are receiving the error message, then make sure that date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time and then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on. So if this is off, you go ahead and turn it on, and then you can use store. The next step is to run Windows Store app troubleshooter. For that, go to the start menu, click on settings, go to update and security, then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter. Scroll down and here you can see Windows Store apps. Click on run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is complete, try to download or install application. The next step is to start Windows Update Services. For that, go ahead and type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update. So scroll down, make a double click on Windows Update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click on apply, then click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And with Windows Update selected, click on restart the service, and once this is done, use store. Also run this command. The commands are provided in the video description. So open command prompt. So go ahead and type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. And once you have the command prompt window, copy all the commands one by one and run it one by one. So paste the command, that is ipconfig/flushdns. Then it's ipconfig release. It will go ahead and disconnect your internet connection. It will disconnect the Wi-Fi. And after that, run the next command, which will go ahead and reconnect the Wi-Fi. Paste it, hit the enter key, and the Wi-Fi will reconnect. Then reset the IP, paste it over here, hit the enter key, then run the next command, paste it, hit the enter key. And after this, you have to go ahead and restart your computer. So click on the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after the restart, use your store. The next step is to clear store cache using wsreset command. So you can go ahead and type in wsreset in Windows search box, and then make a right click, then click on run as administrator on wsreset command. And you will see this black screen. Do not close this black screen. It will take some time to go away. Now once this is gone, it will open Microsoft Store. So let the process complete. Now black screen is gone and Microsoft Store has opened up. So you can go ahead and try to use store. And that should go ahead and fix the problem. Still you are facing the problem, you can go ahead and update your Windows 10. So go to the start menu, click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then use your store. Now the next step is to update apps. Open store, and then on the top right here you can see the three dots. Click on the three dots, then click on download and updates, and then click on get updates. And if there is any pending update, it will go ahead and update it, and then you can use the store. The next step is to reset store app. To reset store app, open Windows 10 settings, click on settings, then go to apps, and find store over here. So you can go ahead and type in store. So here you can see Microsoft Store, click on it, then click on advanced options, scroll down, and here you can see the reset option, click on reset, and once this is done, try opening store, and then that should go ahead and fix the problem. The next step is to run PowerShell command. So open PowerShell, make a right click on start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, and run the first command. The command is provided in the video description. Paste the first command over here and then hit the enter key. And once this is done, use the store. Still you're facing the problem, run the second command and then hit the enter key. And once this is done, close this window and try to use store. Still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall store. To uninstall store, open the command PowerShell once again. So make a right click on the start menu and then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, run the first command, copy this command. The command is provided in the video description, paste it over here. This will uninstall store on your computer. So next time when you try to open store, it will not open up. Now run the second command. Now before you run the second command, restart your computer. So go to the start menu, click on the power icon, restart, and after the restart, go ahead and run the second command. This will reinstall the store. So open PowerShell window once again. After the system restart, make a right click, Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, and then run the second command. All the commands are provided in the video description, and then paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will reinstall the store. Now store has been reinstalled, so you can go ahead and type in store over here, and here you can see Microsoft Store. The next command is to run dism command, run the scan, which will go ahead and fix your Windows 10 corrupt files. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, then run the first command, copy it and paste it on the PowerShell window, and then hit the enter key. Once the scan is 100% complete, run the second command. So on the same window, run the second command once this scan is 100% complete. Then the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So you can go ahead and type in inetcpl.cpl and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Now go to the advanced tab and scroll down and make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, especially 1.2 is checked over here. If this is unchecked, uncheck it over here and then click on apply, OK, and then use store. Now if nothing is working, then you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using media creation tool. For that you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open any browser, go to Microsoft website. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down and here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now. Run this exe file, and then once you run this, you will see media creation tool. Agree to the terms, so click on accept. Then click on upgrade this PC now. By default this would be checked. Click on next, and this will take some time. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now once the download is complete, before installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now once this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can click on install, and after the Windows 10 along with the latest update is installed, you can go ahead and use store. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error, and you should be able to use Microsoft Store without any issue. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.